So in today's video, we're going to be talking about everything you need to know about healing the gut. So when it comes to healing the gut, your go-to is fermented foods, probiotics and prebiotics. Fermented foods are basically foods that are chemically broken down by either bacteria, yeast, or other microorganisms. And at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made two different recipes, one with cabbage, the other one with coconut. And basically this is something that you need to do by yourself. I made this from the scratch and I encourage you guys to also do the same. But apart from that, in Nigeria we really have something that is really good. It is one of the best fermented foods that is really good for your gut health, and that thing is called Ugba. I don't know what it is called in English, but I'm gonna show you guys. This is exactly how it looks like, not the one that is made. So there are two types actually. So one is tied inside nylon. You guys don't buy that one that is tied inside nylon because it's probably already heated, and apart from that too, it's never just good enough. Always buy the one that is tied with tied inside leaves, even though most times it's basically in the village, or maybe you can rarely get that in Lagos. So guys, there are basically two things that you can use to ferment, which is sea salt or vinegar. These two ingredients, sea salt and vinegar, increases the pH to the level that no microorganism is ever going to be able to survive, or reduces the pH to the extent that there is absolutely no existence of oxygen, which is going to eliminate any bad bacteria, leaving only the good bacteria. So this basically, salt and vinegar makes it impossible for bad bacteria to be able to survive. And this could basically be sauerkraut, kimchi, or basically your yogurt, not the one that is bought at the store. I'm gonna show you how I make mine from the scratch. It is always better you do yours from the scratch. I don't care whether they say it's Greek yogurt or all of that, but if you do not make it yourself, do not eat it. So it's better you do this by yourself. And I don't know if you guys know my story, but I really had antibiotics destroy my gut health, and one of the things that I did, apart from fermented foods, to fix my gut health, to get it to perfection these days, to the extent that I'm even now seeing my ovulation, is aloe vera gel. Yes, aloe vera gel is very important when it comes to fixing your gut health because it has growth stimulant. Apart from that, again, you need to eat lots and lots of avocados. Apart from that, you also need to eat lots and lots of soursop. In fact, you need to be taking your prebiotics, you need to take your B vitamins and all those things. At the end of the day, you will see a significant improvement in your gut health. I like sauerkraut because it is absolutely delicious. It can go with just about anything. That is the reason why I like sauerkraut. And also I love my yogurts, the ones that I make myself, because I can just mix it into smoothies and all of that. And basically that's all you need. I hope this was helpful. Remember, a good gut health is basically all you need for you to have the best health there is. That is why basically every single thing that is company manufactured is always after your gut health, because once your gut health is not in good condition, I don't think you cannot have a healthy lifestyle. So guys, keep taking care of yourself. Bye. Guys, you know that sometimes one of the best things that you can do for yourself, to your health, is to just eat some fermented foods. This is one of the simplest recipes and very effective. Anyone can do it. And then we move on to step number two. So guys, what you're gonna do is, am I the only one that likes to literally wear anything you like? This is some kosher salt and some pink salt, generously sprinkled in it. then you go ahead and get in there. Don't be shy and massage. Literally massage it. Bring out a clean jar and you just put your cabbage in here. Here right now. As you guys can see. It needs to be covered in salt water literally. You guys remember now, I mistakenly cut all the cabbage, so these ones are the ones that I think. So this is supposed to be done with a cabbage wrap to seal this up, but since I forgot to keep some cabbage wraps, so I'm gonna use this to just make sure that it is covered. Literally covering it. Guys, literally, this is supposed to be in the fridge for 21 days. So guys, we're going to be preparing our yogurt with coconuts. I already removed it from the shells. So this is coconut meat, which we're going to be blending to start making our yogurt, and we're going to be using lemon. So guys, I chose this lemon purposely because it helps in collagen production, which helps you to nourish your skin and stay younger. So you guys can also choose some other starters. There is chili peppers, green chili pepper or red chili pepper. There is lemon and there is starch. And I'm also going to be using the coconut water, the water from the coconut, to blend it. I wouldn't be adding much water because I want my yogurt to be thick when I'm making it. So without wasting much other time, let's just blend our coconut and we'll be right back. Guys, I have blended my coconut. So this is how it's going to look when you blend it. So now I'm going to try to extract the milk from the coconut. Guys, are you seeing all this? I blended my coconut again and added a little bit of water. So we're going to cook this whole milk on very, very low medium heat. Medium heat. Guys, can you see? Can you see? So I have to stir this from time to time, because if you don't, it's going to start boiling. As you can see, it's already having lumps. So you keep stirring this, keep stirring it from time to time so it doesn't burn until it has come to almost a boil. Guys, can you see this? It's almost boiling, so we're going to take it down now. Guys, can you see the difference? You got the milk thickened up a little bit. So this is after cooking it on a low heat until it was almost boiling. So we're going to transfer this in another place and put our lemon.
lemon. I want to cut this so it can get enough juice. Okay, so I'm going to like keep this here, cover it up, and put it in a very warm place for 24 hours, and then we'll come back and see if our yogurt is done. So guys, this is exactly 24 hours since I kept my yogurt, and this is what we have. This is what it looks like. Wow, wow, amazing. Let me take out this lemon. Guys, can you see this? This is all the probiotics that you need. Wow. Let me see. Amazing. Tastes so nice. So I'm going to store this in the fridge and take it whenever I want. It could be like with a smoothie, or I can decide to just take it like that. Either way, this is amazing. So guys, I hope you're definitely going to try this, because this is the best. I'm not going to buy yogurt again in the market. Guys, that is all for today. I hope you guys are going to try this recipe at home. Please start making your own yogurt from today, because all those things in the market, in the grocery shops that you've been eating are not healthy for you. So try this recipe at home. It's easy. You guys saw me do it, and I think you can do it too. Just follow the steps and all of that. And that is the end for today's video. See you next time. Bye.